The world is waking up. A soft light touches the mountaintops, mist draping the valleys below. Silence reigns, broken only by the river's gentle flow. Wooden boats rest by the shore, waiting for the day to begin. The sun rises, painting the sky in pink and gold. Trees cling to steep slopes, their leaves sparkling with dew. The air is cool, fresh, and filled with the scent of earth and leaves. Birds begin their morning songs, echoing through the valleys. This is a place where time slows, where nature's harmony is perfect. The mist swirls, revealing the world below like a painting coming to life. Here, in these ancient mountains, you feel deeply connected to the earth. The day begins not with noise, but with a soft, beautiful whisper. The river reflects the growing light, a ribbon of silk through the land. Every detail is nature's art, created anew each morning. The mountains and river have shaped each other for centuries. This is a world untouched by hurry, a world of peace and stillness. The first birds sing, welcoming the day. In this quiet, you sense the vastness and wonder of the earth. The day has begun. The sun climbs higher, shining on hillsides carved into green steps. These are rice terraces shaped by generations of hands. Water fills the terraces, reflecting sky and clouds. Young rice plants stand in neat rows, vibrant and alive. Farmers walk the narrow paths, wide hats shielding them from the sun. Their movements are practiced, in tune with the land. Villages nestle among the terraces, smoke rising from morning fires. Children's laughter drifts across the hills. Life here is simple, connected to the rhythm of the seasons. People plant in spring, tend in summer, harvest in autumn. The land gives, and in return, it is cared for. The terraces are both farm and art, a testament to balance and respect. The green stairways show how humans and nature can create beauty together. Houses of wood and stone blend into the landscape. The terraces shine like mirrors under the sun. The partnership between people and earth has lasted for centuries. The result is breathtaking, a living lesson in harmony. The laughter of children and the quiet work of farmers fill the air. The terraces are a living memory of tradition. Here, every day is shaped by the land. The rice terraces remind us, beauty and usefulness can grow side by side. The hills and terraces are alive with hope and history. The people's respect for the land is clear in every step. This is a place of peace, hard work, and enduring beauty. The terraces are a living legacy. It is a lesson in balance and respect. Now we travel to a land of rugged mountains and ancient wonders. The Great Wall of China winds across the peaks like a stone dragon. Built over centuries, it stands as a symbol of human determination. Imagine standing on the wall, wind in your hair, mountains stretching to the horizon. The wall curves and turns, following the land's natural shape. It was built for protection, but now it connects past and present. Nature has claimed parts of the wall. Plants grow in the cracks, birds nest in old towers. Each season transforms the view, green in spring, gold in autumn, white in winter. Walking its path is like stepping through history. The wall is more than stone, it's part of the landscape, shaped by time. It has watched empires rise and fall, endured sun, wind, and snow. The Great Wall is a silent guardian, teaching us about patience and achievement. It stands as a reminder of humanity's journey, set against the timeless mountains. The wall's presence is powerful, yet peaceful. It is a bridge between nature and history. The stones beneath your feet hold countless stories. The wall endures, a testament to strength and endurance. It is a place of reflection and awe. The Great Wall is a living monument. It connects us to the past and to the land itself. Here, history and nature are one. Great rivers are the lifeblood of the land. The Yangtze begins as a mountain stream, gathering strength as it flows. It carves deep gorges, its waters rushing and tumbling over rocks. As it leaves the mountains, the river widens and slows, nourishing vast plains. Towns and cities rise along its banks, connected by the river's flow. Boats travel up and down carrying people and goods. The river brings water for crops and life for millions. It is both gentle and powerful, always moving, always changing. The river's journey passes through fields, cities, and history itself. It has witnessed battles, celebrations, emperors, and farmers. The river is a constant, reliable presence through the ages. Finally it meets the sea, its journey complete. Fresh water joins the salt, becoming part of something greater. From mountain stream to ocean, the river shapes the land and connects its people. Its story is the story of the land, of power, gentleness, and endless life. The river's flow is a thread through time. It is a source of memory and hope. The river's journey is never truly over. It is always moving, always giving. The river is the heart of the land. Its story is our story. It is a story of life. Beyond the rivers we find places of stillness. Lakes that mirror the sky. West Lake in Hangzhou is famed for its beauty and peace. Willow trees line the shores, their branches touching the water. Stone bridges arch gracefully across the lake. People come here to walk, sit, or float quietly in boats. The water is smooth, reflecting clouds, mountains, and gardens. Each season brings new beauty. Blossoms in spring, lotus flowers in summer, golden leaves in autumn, mist in winter. The lakes inspire poets and painters, their calm a source of creativity. Every tree and rock is placed with care, blending art and nature. The lakes are a refuge from the busy world, a place to reconnect with nature and oneself. They remind us of the importance of quiet moments and simple beauty. The changing seasons paint the water in different colors. The air is sweet with flowers, cool with mist, alive with birdsong. The lakes are treasures, mirrors of the sky and of a peaceful heart. Here time slows and worries fade. The lakes are more than water, they are places of inspiration. They are a reminder to pause and appreciate beauty. The lakes hold centuries of stories, they are a gift of tranquility. In their stillness we find peace. The lakes are nature's quiet masterpiece. Water is not always gentle sometimes, it roars. At waterfalls, rivers leap from cliffs crashing onto rocks below. Huangshan waterfall is one of Asia's largest, a thunderous display of nature's power. Mist rises, cool and refreshing, sometimes catching rainbows in the sun. The ground trembles with the force of falling water. The sound is constant, a wild, endless song. Lush forests surround the falls, thriving in the moist air. Ferns and mosses cling to wet rocks. Birds and insects fill the air with life. The waterfall is the heart of this vibrant world. Smaller waterfalls hide in quiet forests, their gentle splashing like secret treasures. Whether mighty or modest waterfalls remind us of nature's energy and change. They are places of awe where water performs its dramatic dance. The falls shape the land, carving rocks and nourishing life. Each waterfall is unique, a blend of power and beauty. The mist cools your face, the roar fills your ears. Waterfalls are a reminder of nature's constant movement. They are a spectacle, a celebration of life's force. The falls are alive, always changing, always beautiful. They draw us in inviting wonder and respect. Water's dance is never-ending. Here, nature's energy is on full display. Step into a bamboo forest. A world of green pillars reaching for the sky. The bamboo grows tall and close, creating a living cathedral. Sunlight filters through the leaves, casting a soft green glow. The air is cool and still, filled with the gentle rustle of bamboo swaying. Walking the narrow paths, you hear the hollow clack of stalks in the breeze. It's a place of calm, where time seems to pause. Bamboo is vital in China, used for building, crafting, and even food. It grows quickly, strong yet flexible, a symbol of resilience. The forest's simplicity is its beauty. Straight lines, green leaves, endless peace. These groves are home to the giant panda, who feeds on bamboo and finds shelter here. Pandas are shy, rarely seen, but their presence makes the forest special. The bamboo forest is a perfect example of plant and animal harmony. It is a sanctuary both for wildlife and for those seeking quiet. The forest's beauty lies in its simplicity and its life-giving power. Here you feel hidden from the world, surrounded by nature's gentle strength. The bamboo's rustle is a soothing song. The forest is a place for reflection and renewal. It is a living symbol of endurance. The bamboo forest is not just beautiful, it is essential. It shelters rare creatures and inspires all who enter. In its shade, you find peace. The bamboo forest is a world apart. It is a vital, living treasure. China's land is a tapestry of fantastical shapes and forms. In the karst regions, limestone peaks rise like towers from the earth, covered in green. The Li River winds between them, each bend revealing a new, breathtaking view. These shapes were carved by water over millions of years, creating caves and underground palaces. Stalactites and stalagmites fill the caves. Nature's sculptures formed drop by drop. Along the coast, the land meets the sea in a dramatic embrace. Some shores are sandy and gentle, others rocky and wild. Waves crash against cliffs, while islands dot the horizon, each with its own character. Inland, tea plantations cover rolling hills in neat green patterns. Workers pick young leaves by hand, creating a living mosaic. The land is sculpted by both nature and people, each adding their own artistry. The coastline is ever-changing, shaped by wind and water. The karst peaks stand as silent sentinels, watching over the river. The tea hills are alive with careful cultivation. Every landscape tells a story of time and transformation. The earth here is a canvas, painted by rain, wind, and human hands. From peaks to coast, the variety is stunning. Each place has its own beauty, its own rhythm. The land is alive, always changing. Nature and people together create wonders. This is a land of endless discovery. The day ends as the sun sinks, bathing the land in golden light. Shadows grow long and the world glows with peace. The sky shifts from blue to orange, red and purple. A final, breathtaking performance. Sunsets over rice terraces, karst peaks and the Great Wall are unforgettable. Water in the terraces reflects the fiery sky, mountains become dark silhouettes, the Great Wall glows, transformed by the last light. This is a time for quiet reflection, gratitude for the day's beauty. As twilight falls, the world grows still, stars appear and night creatures stir. The landscape softens, painted in gentle blues and purples. We have journeyed through misty mountains, green terraces, ancient walls and mighty rivers. We've seen lakes, waterfalls, bamboo forests and sculpted hills. This is a world where people and nature live in harmony. As night falls, peace and awe remain. The natural world is always there, waiting for our respect and care. In return, it offers moments of pure, simple relaxation. The day ends quietly with a promise of beauty to come. The sun's farewell is gentle, not grand. The world rests, ready for another day. The journey continues in light and in shadow. Nature's beauty is endless. Good night to the land, and to us all.